Hello friends, you must have already read the question, therefore I am not repeating the same. So the minimum grade of concrete for reinforced concrete according to the different exposure conditions given in IS 456 are: for mild M20, for moderate M25, for severe M30, for very severe M35, and for extreme M40. So remember that these are the minimum grade of concrete according to the code. Okay, you can always make concrete for the different exposure conditions whose grade is higher than the given minimum grade. Okay, so quite often a situation may arise that from the structural point of view the grade of concrete must be some, let's say some figure, let's say M25. Okay, however from the exposure point of view the minimum grade comes out to, let's say, M40, that is in extreme condition. So you see there is a conflict between M25 from structural point of view and M40 from exposure point of view. So what should be done? Well, then in such scenario you must choose M40 because that is the higher of the two. Okay, however if from the structural point of view, let's say the requirement is M40 and from the exposure point of view it's M25, that is moderate exposure condition, then you must go for M40 because that is the higher of the two. Okay, so whenever such conflict arises, remember that you have to choose the higher grade of concrete. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I have said. If you have any confusion whatsoever, then you can please put those confusions regarding this in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel and please give a like and share this video as far as possible. Thank you.